In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture and share screenshots with Snagit. Snagit lets you capture anything on your screen, from a single button to an entire window, and it keeps the process simple and fast. Let's walk through a clean workflow you can rely on every day. Start by launching the Snagit Capture window. Choose the All-in-One tab so you have maximum flexibility, then click the red Capture button. You'll immediately see orange crosshairs appear on your screen. As you move your cursor, Snagit intelligently highlights windows and areas that can be captured. If the exact area you want is highlighted, just click once to capture it. If you need something custom, click and drag to draw your own selection. A built-in magnifier appears near your cursor to help you line things up perfectly, so take a moment to nudge your edges until they're pixel precise. When you release the mouse button, a capture toolbar appears along with a preview of your selection. If you need to refine the area, drag any of the handles on the edges or corners to resize before finalizing. From here, choose how you want to capture. You can take a still image, record a video, or use scrolling capture to grab content that extends beyond the visible screen, like a long web page. For this tutorial, select Image. Your image opens in the Snagit editor, where you can enhance it in seconds. Add arrows to point out key elements, use callouts to add short explanations, apply highlights to draw attention, and use blurs to hide sensitive information. Keep your annotations clear and purposeful so your message stands out without clutter. When you're ready to share, click Share Link to send your capture to Screencast. Snagit creates a shareable link automatically and copies it to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message or document right away. If you prefer other destinations, open the sharing dropdown to pick from additional options. As you continue using Snagit, speed up your workflow with the global hotkey. It lets you start a capture instantly, even when Snagit is minimized, using your most recent settings for quick, repeatable results. Stick with All-in-One when you want flexibility, or switch to the image or video tabs when you already know what you need. Each tab includes helpful options to automate your process, like hiding the cursor for cleaner captures or copying images directly to your clipboard for quick pasting. Now you're ready to start capturing with confidence. For more tips and advanced features, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.